Hi there and good morning. Welcome to Learn English by Azim sir. Today video is going to very interesting. Why? Because I'm going to teach you very interesting lesson, which are very important, and we need to know about it in briefly in details. So today I'm here to teaching you about three things which are very common, which are very important things. Today I'm going to teach you about how plus adjective. Suppose that I'm going to ask one questions with everybody. Just tell me the meaning of the how. You will tell me the meaning of how, like kaise. But if I will tell you that a how meaning could be something else, you will ask how. Yes, this is true, and I'm gonna prove it. I'm gonna show you that sometimes the how meaning could be changed differently. Okay, so first of all, let me write down the how. First of all, let me write down what I'm going to teach you today. Okay, today I'm going to teach you like a how plus adjective. How plus adjective. Okay, so what are the adjective? Let me tell you the first what are the adjective. Adjective like tall, deep, long, high, black. What are these? These are adjective. What are these? These are adjective. Tall, deep, long, high, black, old. What are these? These are the adjective. Okay, and if I will ask you to tell me the meaning of the how, definitely everybody will tell how means like kaisa. Kaisa, you are right, I'm also right, and everybody is right that how means kaisa. But if I will tell you that how the meaning could be changed quickly, okay, you will tell me how. Definitely, that's what I'm going to teach you. That if I'll put any the adjective with the how, after the how, that the meaning the kaisa will be definitely the change. Like if I'm going to add something, how old, what is the meaning? Can I say kaisa budha, kaisa purana? No, that would be wrong. Okay, here the would be the sentence that of the meaning. Here's kitna purana. Okay, kitna purana. And the how the kaisa is working here, the sense of the kitna here the coming. Why? Because I'm using the adjective with the how. After the how, I'm putting the adjective. That means like the sense of the meaning is coming like how many. Okay, why? Because how many is kitna, right now? Kitna. This sense is coming here. How old? If I'll hear the add something like how tall, kitna lamba, how deep, kitna gahra, how long, kitna lamba, and how high, kitna ऊंचा, and how black, kitna kala, and how old means kitna purana. So notice one thing, okay, whenever you will put the adjective, okay, after the how, that the sense of the meaning like kaisa will be kitna, will be changed. Okay, so we have seen all this thing that after the how, if you're gonna put any the adjective, that meaning of the like how kaisa meaning will be changed like kitna, right now. So I'm going to erase all this thing, and now we will look in the sentence so that we can better understand. Okay, guys, today why I'm going to teach you all this thing, because the most of the students don't know about it, and they're making a lot of mistake while speaking. Suppose that if you don't know if you don't know the details that how to use and what are the meaning of this sentence, you can't speak with confidently. So before to speaking confidently with somebody, you have to know it the root. You have to you have to know it the briefly. Okay, then if you know the very well about all these things, you can speak confidently with anybody's and any situation. So guys, before to speaking anything, first you make sure about that is the correct or not. Okay, if you know very well, if you're sure that whatever I'm going to talk with you, I'm the correct, I'm going to speak the right, you will have the confidence. Why? Because already I know, I'm sure that whatever I'm going to talk, that all the correct. So guys, that's why today I brought all these lessons and I'm teaching you that I want you know all these things correctly, and you use and you speak with somebody so that you will feel better and you will have the confidence and you can talk with everybody. You will not get any pause, you will not get any hesitation, and you will not get any afraid with anybody while speaking. So guys, I'm teaching all these things and I explained you about all these things. Now I'm going to teach you and I'm going to tell you in a sentence so that you can better understand, and you can also practice with me, and I will make you practice with me. Don't worry about that. Okay, just hold on. Okay, let me explain you in the sentence. Okay, so I'm going to erase all these things and after that I will tell you about it. Okay, don't worry, I'll be right back. Okay, I have erased all these things and now I'm going to teach you in sentence. Okay, so first of all I will take one sentence like how tall. What is meaning of this? How tall means kitna lamba, and is he. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा? हाउ टॉल इज ही, वह कितना लंबा है, वह कितना लंबा है. क्या हो जाएगा? वह कितना लंबा है. ओके, हाउ टॉल इज ही, वह कितना लंबा है. वह कितना लंबा है. हाउ टॉल इज ही, वह कितना लंबा है. ओके, नाउ आई विल टेक द सेकेंड सेंटेंस. How deep is this well? Well means अच्छा भी होता है, कुआं भी होता है. तो how deep is this well, यह कुआं कितना गहरा है. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या काम कर रहा है? how का सेंस क्या आ रहा है? how deep means कितना गहरा. ओके, यहाँ पे सेंस क्या आ रहा है? how tall means कितना लंबा. So we can say here, we can make the sentence here like how red, कितना लाल. how old, कितना पुराना. how high, कितना ऊंचा. So we can make the sentence like this. Okay, and I'm sure guys that please you make the sentence like that so you can learn very well. Okay, so I have also shown you in the sentence, okay, and in practically, and now I'm going to tell you that you as well as you also make some sentence in the comment sections, and let me see that how do you make the sentence or not. And please practice these things. If you're going to practice, you can speak English. If you're not going to practice, you cannot speak English and you cannot do anything. It is depend on practicing. The more you practice, the more you learn. So guys, start to practicing, and you find some students, you find some friend to speaking partners, and you speak with them, you make a conversation with them, and you discuss all these things with them, and you make a conversation. If you're not gonna use, you can't learn to speak English. So if you're gonna learn English, then use all these things and you practice all these things. I'm sure that you one day you will be able to speak fluently and confidently. So today was lesson, this thing which I taught you, and I hope that everybody known about these things. Okay, and I'm going to meet you in the next session, next video, and I'm bringing a more interesting the videos, and I'll provide you. And till then guys, take care. And before going to let me tell you something, that please kindly you subscribe my channel, and if anybody's the viewers they came in my channels the first time, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can keep getting my notification whenever I upload my videos, and you will get the notification and you can watch my videos and you can learn to speak English. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Recommend your friend about me, about these videos, and about all these things. Till then, bye bye and take care and keep learning, keep speaking. Bye bye, take care.